We are at the air show in Terre Haute. The Blue Angels are supposed to be here. It is raining.
Barely. It's not too bad.
And we've already tried to see the Blue Angels. And we didn't get to see them because it was raining. So this is take 2 of us seeing the Blue Angels.
And they are here. We can see their, what was that plane? The AC?
C-130.
C-130. That they fly in on, all of them together.
Well, they bring the crew. They bring all their gear. Oh my gosh, we got cars out in the field.
And we have our Jeep with us, so we are in 4-wheel drive.
Already, we're still on the pavement.
Prepared. And we were really concerned with the rain, but looks like there's people here and not everybody chickened out. So we got ponchos and umbrellas.
And the base ceiling, it can be 1,000 feet, and we will still be able to see them, they said. So it looks like it's like right at 1,000 feet right now.
But here's the radar. You can see the blue dot is where we are at. So
hopefully this ends up where we can watch them. If we can't watch them today, we're going to come back tomorrow and watch them tomorrow. There you can see the plane right there.
it'd be cool if they let you actually walk up to it, but I doubt it.
Yeah, we couldn't last time we went. I don't think so. I don't know. That's pretty.
It's pretty close to the.
But they have it in the show. It's in the show.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Okay, they're here. It's raining, and that is definitely under 1,000 feet.
She's born over 6 G's or 6 times the force of gravity. This tight car theoretically allows him to keep his and the way he's almost pounding that landing gear into the ground, flying so very, very carefully across the ground. Watch him put it down on the right tire only and then scrape the wingtip. At 200 miles per hour. Get a good one for me, Brian. I want this video. That might not have been the wall of fire, but we got more to go off.
It is.
They had their hats on.
Okay, we're supposed to go to the Blue Angels today, and it's raining like usual.
If you need rain, just let us know to show up, and it's bound to happen.
Yeah, this is our
Third
attempt today. We've done 2. It's rained both times. And we're going 2 days in a row to see the Blue Angels. We was there, 5 hours yesterday,
We
and
could
they
see
canceled
him
it.
on the tarmac waiting.
Yeah, and we've seen him drive by, but that's about it. That's as close as we get. So here's our stuff from yesterday drying out, soaking wet. So hopefully we can get this all dried out and
Mark this off our bucket list.
yep, bucket list. Hopefully check today. Sunshine.
Blue skies.
It's looking much better now than it did at home. Oh, look at that. We may get to see him today.
Stay tuned.
All right, we're at the air show again, and it's very cloudy. It's not raining, but very, very low clouds.
But we expect this to move out. Fingers crossed it moves out.
All right, this is $16 in nachos. We have ate a few, so
Two.
don't think we totally got ripped off, but yeah, awesome.
Flying dust off and medevac and gunship missions. And then, this is also the one that just popped up, also from Bell Aircraft. That is the AH-1 Cobra, the first helicopter designed from the skids up to be an attack helicopter. Gunner sits in the front. What's going on, boss? Oh my gosh. Look overhead.
Enemy air raid. Pearl Harbor, this is not a drill. Yes, we have taken you back to 7:55 a.m. December 7th, 1941. Imagine you were there that fateful morning. It started off as a peaceful Sunday morning, just like this, over 80 years ago.
Look out.
In Pearl Harbor, at Lincoln Field, on the Hawaiian Islands.
Yeah, one of ours.
Our entire nation, with most of the
One of our fighter planes.
within the confines of the harbor.
Oh,
Experience the roar of the engine and the sound of the bombs as the Imperial Japanese approached. Yes. Wall of Fire, presented by the Torah Bomb. How about that? Let's give them a round of applause.
Because Adolf Hitler had plans to take over the world and establish what they didn't build all the parts for their Merlin engines by themselves. They had subcontractors. And there are a number of Mustangs still in existence that have parts, valve cover castings, and I think even engine blocks that were built by a company whose name probably is very, very recognizable to you, Maytag. Same company that builds your refrigerators and other appliances. And they call them the Maytag Mustangs. Oh, this is a sight. Oh, yeah. On June 5th, late the night of June 5th, 1944, several Wright brothers' first military airplanes back in 1917, built on honor. Love the folks at Hartzell. Higher Power Hydraulic Doors LLC, Hooker Harness, ICOM America, Jeppesen, JPI, Kimmel Aviation Insurance, Lincoln Electric, LP Aero Plastics, Mid-Continent Instruments Company Incorporated, Paradigm Parachute and Defense, PS Engineering, Rapco, Relodyne, Warrior Bonfire Program, and Yunkin Aircraft. Getting ready to touch down, one right after another. They're not done until they stop in front of the crowd and create a little weather on their own.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron takes pleasure in performing for you this our 22nd flight demonstration of the 2024 season. I'm Lieutenant Connor O'Donnell, flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Skaneateles, New York, Commander Alex Armatas. As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into their jets, you are witnessing the teamwork found in all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels take a great deal of pride in personifying the Navy and Marine Corps values of honor, courage, and commitment. For more information...
Here's more pressure on. Good afternoon, folks. Updated research call. Altimeter is 2998. For a correction of altimeter of 2935. For a center point elevation of 0 feet and a deputy altitude of 2,100 feet. Fast truck 1201. Pistol truck 1205. Ground truck 1306. We are clear to dive taxi runway 5. Line up and wait runway 5. Taxi above, cleared to taxi, line up and wait, runway 5.
Blue Angel number 8, Lieutenant Commander Brian Hott from Englewood, Colorado, is the Squadron Naval Flight Officer and Events Coordinator. Commander Chris from Washington, Missouri, serves as the squadron's executive officer. Lieutenant Commander Greg Jones, our maintenance officer from Cary, North Carolina, is responsible for the men, women, and equipment. From Mayaoez, Puerto Rico, our assistant maintenance officer is Lieutenant Commander Natalia Lucetti. From Williamsburg, Virginia, the Blue Angels flight surgeon is Lieutenant Commander Philippe Morin. From Dayton, Ohio, our supply officer is Lieutenant Junior Grade Mara Mason. And from Hagerstown, Maryland, our public affairs officer is Lieutenant Ben Basham. Our Boeing technical representatives are Mr. Jack Ralph from Fort Worth, Texas, Mr. Todd Lawson from Tigard, Oregon, and Mr. Landy Harnesbaker from Nantucket, Massachusetts. Our financial management analysts are Mrs. Deborah Johnson from Pensacola, Florida, and Mrs. Amanda Williford from Washington, Virginia. And our administrative is Mr. Aries Wilson.
Okay, we finally got to see the Blue Angels. Bucket list check. It was awesome. What'd you think?
It was incredible. The talent, it blew me away. The World War II stuff was probably my favorite part. They had just an amazing show, amazing, I don't know what it's called, their
Coordinator?
well, whatever they did for the World War II Pearl Harbor reenactment, that's what it was.
Okay.
Was really cool.
Yes, this is awesome. We had a great time. First day, soaking wet.
Oh, we were drenched.
Canceled the show at the very end. We
Sat
was
there
there
for 3 hours
I think it was about 5 hours, wasn't
in
it?
the pouring rain.
Yeah, it was insane. Like,
Second day was better. It sprinkled like barely.
and it was really nice to have the clouds out. I can't explain.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be 80-some degrees, and people don't realize how hot it is
Yeah, just sitting there.
in the sun, and the clouds was out most of the time, and it was awesome.
Highly recommend. Highly recommend.
Yeah, put this on your bucket list. Go see them. Great show. One of the best shows you can go see. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell. It's free.
It's free. Bye.
Bye.